How to fix can't receive login and sign up code on phone. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix that issue. Just let's follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Now first of all, check your phone signal. Make sure your phone has good signal. If you see no service or just one bar, try moving to another place where you get better signal and restart your phone. So by doing that, sometimes your phone just needs to restart. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, turn them again back. Now then try request the code again. So after that, turn off airplane mode. Make sure airplane mode is off. Swipe down from the top of the screen on Android or iPhone and check if that the airplane icon is on or is not on. Now after that, check blocked numbers or SMS settings. Now go to your phone's messages app. If you have blocked numbers or some protection on, the code might be getting blocked. Go to settings after that, blocked number, and make sure the number from the app is not blocked. After that, use the right phone number. So make sure you are typing your phone number correctly with the right code or the right country code. For example, if you are in the US, your number should start with +1. So this is how to fix can't receive login and sign up code on phone. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.